Hello, and welcome to VDCI CAD Teacher DAC 242 Intermediate Illustrator. Throughout this intermediate level course, we'll break down advanced uses of Illustrator, as well as review tools and techniques necessary to create professional vectors and graphic materials. This course begins by reviewing the Illustrator interface and basic tools necessary in order to create a website wireframe. In Lesson 2, we'll utilize advanced Illustrator tools to create custom pie charts and a 3-panel text display. During Lesson 3, we'll discuss and implement techniques required to develop a nighttime city skyline and reflection. For this, we'll create the moon, the stars, clouds, a lake, and customize the look of our city and our image. Finally, in Lesson 4, we'll use a sketch and color sample to create a Mars rocket scene that's not only attractive, but uniquely branded to fit the needs of our client. Students completing this course will finish with a variety of completed graphics, as well as a diverse knowledge of how to implement Illustrator for professional or personal advancement. For more information regarding DAC 242 Intermediate Illustrator, or to sign up for an on-site or online course, please visit vdci.edu.